This little blue jay is sitting right next to me. Here's me. Here's the blue jay. He's just hammering at the wood, trying to find some food. He's sitting right next to me, looking up at me. Hey, buddy. Oh no, now he's biting me. He's biting me. Hi. How you doing? Look, he's biting my clothes. Look at the blue jay. Check him out. Oh, it's too funny. Oh man. Hi. You're a movie star. I'm just sitting here at the beach. There's the sunset. At the beach with my little blue jay friend. Look at him. Hi. He don't care. What? What? What are you doing? Hi. It's like right next to me. Yep. Let me see if he wants to jump on my hand. Nope, he flew down. Oh well, that's it from Lido Beach. Nice sunset tonight.